Hi.
I'm so sorry. I'm still trying to learn everything about Philippines. So, hello, Noel. How are you?
Ayos lang.
I like you, Noel. Yan naman, that's the Pinoy. That's the
Oh.
Pinoy.
Bawal sa reliyon namin yung mag-English.
He's saying that it's not good for them to speak in English. That's bawal. That's not allowed.
Really? But I won't understand you.
You know, it's okay. You can talk in English.
And then you translate.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Are you a singer or you play
Ikaw ba isang
instruments?
singer o nagtutumento ka? Hindi, okay. Para mas
It's like
maganda.
another myth.
Mga awit.
He's a singer.
You're a singer. What kind of songs do you sing?
Ano mga kantang ginagawa mo? Kinakanta mo?
Mga alternative.
Oo. Bahala ka na. Bahala ka na. Okay, okay. Bahala na. Alternative, ha? Kung pagod ka na, may maglilipapalit sa'yo. Alternative. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Alright?
And does he sing English song?
Okay, kumakanta daw ng mga English.
Hindi.
Hindi. No.
Bawal, bawal.
Bawal means no.
No,
It's
not at all.
not allowed.
Not allowed. Okay. Are you gonna perform today?
May perform ka ba? Ano ba gagawin mo dito? Kakain ka ba? Yes, yes.
You are? Okay, that's great. What's the name of your band?
Shackle.
Shackle.
Different-
Shackle.
What does that mean?
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng shackle?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Hindi rin niya alam. He doesn't know also.
Oh.
Maybe you have a meaning. You have a meaning of the shackle. Do you know what the meaning of shackle?
No.
Okay, dumudugo na ilong. Dudugo ilong ko dito. Okay, you wanna hear him?
Yes, I do.
Okay, again, ladies and gentlemen. Again, wait. You have some shows coming? Mga coming shows?
Sa April 21, nandiyan kami sa Bicol, sa Legazpi. Kasama namin ng Green Department at si Dodong Cruz ng Dayut. At sa 26 sa Palawan ako sa Rojas.
Okay, they're very famous here.
Kinukumusta ka nga pala ng mga taga Palawan.
Ay, nako, of course. Mahal na mahal natin mga taga-Palawan.
Taga-Subaybayan yan.
Sana makapag-perform tayo dyan. Sana mag-show kami dyan. Okay? Alright, that's
At sa
right.
Caloocan, yung airmat ko, kinukumusta ka.
Ayun, nanay, kamusta po?
Dati nagbabasketball ka pa nun sa Parañaque. Nakapanood din.
Talaga? Okay,
Santo Niño.
Santo Niño. Kumusta? Si Santo Niño, kumusta? Okay. Okay, Noel, padirig mo na sa amin. Okay, from Shackle, Noel, the man.
Wawawi! Nag-aaliw sa usok at birlang ang kasama. Mas okay pang laging ganto, nalilimutan ka. Di ko malaman sa'yo kung ano ang drama mo. Bakit lagi mo na lang sinasaktan ang puso ko? Tandang-tanda ko pa nung tayo'y namamasyal. Napasulyap lang sa iba, bigla mo na akong sinampal. Sa kaseselos mo nga'y lalong minahal kita. Subalit nasaan ka na, sumama sa iba. Sabay-sabay! Bakit ba iba? Bakit ba iba? Sinusunod naman kita. Wala pa rin kwenta. Salamat!
That's really nice. Oh, galing. Galing.
Salamat.
Galing. Noel, thank you very much, Noel. Shackle, the man, okay? Thank you.